Hi guys, welcome to this week's show. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and don't miss your chance on winning this ESS Dual Plus from Sense Innovation. It is the best sounding sound simulator on the market today, at least in my eyes. Not only can you win the ESS Dual Plus, but I'm throwing in this K5 3D printed blazer body. So subscribe to the channel and you can be the lucky winner. So we're going to raffle this off on the 27th of November, so it reaches you in time for Christmas. So now let's get back into today's video. Hi guys, on this week's show, we're going to pimp out the new blazer body, but not just any old style, we're gonna go old school style. So I was searching around on thingiverse.com this week. I found a very cool old school light bar with some light buckets that don't belong to it, so I'm gonna have to try and make them fit. I got a roof rack, I got some rearview mirrors, I got some nice bumpers that fit the car perfectly, and I got a bit of wire mesh which I still have to paint black, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get to the installation. Okay, the first thing I want to be installing is the roof rack. Just going to place it in the center. Just measure out where I want this light. Whoops, that's a screw I need. Measure out where I want the light bar to sit. Maybe a little further back, kind of like that. And that kind of looks very old school. Okay, I think I'm quite happy with that position. So I'm going to mark it and drill the holes. So what I'm doing, I'm drilling one hole, then I put the bolt or the screw in there so that it sits secure. I don't tighten it all the way, just a little bit. So now it can't move because the bolt is holding it. So I am free to drill the second hole without making a mistake. Now the next thing I have is light buckets. I'm going to take them out of the adhesive section. Show you how those work. They have a frame and get mounted like this. So you can kind of swivel them up and down. And they kind of have to be mounted in the center of each of these bars. Now the little screws are a bit too long. I'm just going to trim them off so that we can't see them once we do get lights. At the moment I don't have lights, but once we do get lights, these are obviously going to be in the way. So I'm just going to trim them off a little bit. Maybe take them out, trim them, and actually put them back in. That might be a better option. So then we take them out, trim them a bit, and then put them back in. There we go. That looks a lot better. So all the screws have been trimmed inside the light buckets. I'm going to take off this frame and mount these on the 4 bars. They're where they're supposed to be. And then I have to put that back on there. I'm just chasing the screw into there to get a thread in the plastic. Once I take it out, I can cut the tip off. Otherwise, it's more difficult to turn it in. So now seeing that this has got a thread already, it'll catch the screw much easier. Otherwise, you're just frustrating yourself by trying to get that connected. So there you go. That's kind of the look. I don't have lights yet. I still need to get some lights. So we're going to mount that on there, and then next step would be to put the bumpers on and the mirrors on. Just hot glue gunning them into position, so later I can just drive a drill through there and put some screws in to fasten them properly. And same thing with the bumpers. Seeing that one of the mirrors came off, I'm going to put this aluminium tape onto the mirror to make it look like it actually has a piece of glass in there. Now I'm just going to chase the screw through from the inside. last touch, I'm going to add some color to the indicators. Okay guys, that's kind of where I'm going to end this today. This build for today. Let me know if I should cut out the glass, the windows, or if I should just color them in so that they look tinted. Let me know down in the comments. Now it's time to hit the trail, see how the articulation works on the new body, if we have rub from the wheels, or if everything is the way it's supposed to be. So let's hit the trail and let's find out. you go guys, the old school look on the Blazer K5 body. Now this is still work in progress. I still don't know exactly what I must do with the windows. Must I just put a black outline in the frame of the window, or should I tint them, or should I cut them out? Let me know in the comments guys. Other than that, don't forget we still have the ESS Dual Plus and another Blazer body up for grabs. So don't forget about that. So subscribe to the channel and don't miss your chance on winning this combo. So that's it from me this week guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.